Hi, I'm Sarah Woodrum. I'm the chairperson for the Partnership Board in 2023. So the board oversees all of the entities that fall under the partnership. So we have the Chamber of Commerce, the Mon County Economic Development Authority, Sunny Side Up, which is our revitalization, what was MAEP, and now we have Main Street Morgantown. So we've grown a lot in the last few years. And I'm not sure everyone's aware, but I was chair of the board in 2020, and I'm lucky enough to get to do it again. And it's been interesting watching it. Even just in January, we had our first board meeting of the year, but to see how much the partnership has grown. Russ, with the board overseeing, has really grown the organization, not just Main Street Morgantown, but the staff that I think we've put in place has been instrumental in the economic growth and success that we've had in the Morgantown area.
We're very pleased to have Sarah back as chair of the board, and just really a pleasure to work with her. Her enthusiasm, her engagement, her abilities really make for a great leadership. And it's important to have board leadership because they drive and direct our organization as we move forward and keeping us on task, on the right things, as well as overseeing budgets and financials and so on and so forth.
We're really seen as an entity that can get things done and make a difference. And having people in Morgantown that look to the partnership when there's a problem or a concern really, I think, goes a long way to show how much we've accomplished in such a short amount of time.